Well, leading the charge for the BJP is Union Home Minister taking a jibe with the Congress, saying the party has already accepted defeat even before the results have been announced and they are unable to face the media. Even BJP National President JP Nadda has alleged that Congress's decision not to participate in exit polls is an unequivocal confirmation the Congress party has conceded defeat.
कि कांग्रेस पार्टी कल एग्जिट पोल पर डिस्कशन का बहिष्कार कर रही है। कई समय से कांग्रेस पार्टी डिनायल मोड में आ रही है। ये पूरा इलेक्शन ये कैंपेन करते रहे कि हमारा बहुमत आने जा रहा है, बहुमत आने जा रहा है। अब उनको भी स्थिति मालूम है कि कल के चुनाव के बाद आने वाले एग्जिट पोल में इनकी प्रचंड हार होने वाली है, मगर इस बार हार के कारण एक्सप्लेन न कर पाने की स्थिति में वो इसका बहिष्कार कर रहे हैं। और कांग्रेस पार्टी वैसे भी जब से राहुल गांधी मुख्य व्यवस्था में आए हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी की डिनायल मोड में जी रही है।
Congress is only trying to create a false narrative to encounter the defeat that they're going to face on the 4th of June.
Well, Pragya, how do we understand as far as the Congress party's take is concerned? It is just of the Congress or other bloc partners of the India bloc will also follow suit? Because the BJP says that it is that means they have already conceded defeat.
Well, Amita, till now only Congress has expressed and also, told that they will not be participating in exit polls. But also, the BJP for that matter is also attacking Congress party, saying that you are undermining the constitutional authorities and in fact you are also undermining the whole democratic process. This is not in a healthy spirit that you are taking in this Lok Sabha election. Obviously, if you boycott something, you send out a larger message, not just to the country, but also to the world, saying that we don't have faith in the institutions that are involved in undertaking this democratic process. There's lakhs, crores and crores of people who are exercising their right to franchise today to elect the government of the day and also the Prime Minister. So, to say that we are boycotting, and even if you have debated, you have debated on every platform or every channel, every social media, you have come out and debated on every issue. So why not on exit poll? If you have a point of view, you are given a platform to express those, the confidence that you are exuberating throughout this election process. And you can obviously, if you need to blame the BJP or the government or the agencies, you can come on the platform and say it. But to say that we will not be participating, we are boycotting, it shows either you are conceding defeat or it shows that you are saying that you don't have faith in those institutions. There are thousands of professional agencies that are part of this whole process, and there are so many people who are doing round-the-clock duty to ensure that there is free and fair polls. But if Congress goes out and say that we are boycotting it, that also sends out a large message to the outside world as well. And that is probably the reason why also, BJP also ensured that many of the diplomats, many of the ambassadors would come for themselves and see the participation of people in this free and fair process. Obviously. And in fact, send out a larger message that, whatever the perception has been created about this democratic process is not actually true. Something which is on the ground, they would see with their own eyes.
When it comes to right after the polling is when the exit polls begin, and what has now been seen as far as on the streaming of all when it comes to the news media channels, at least the Congress party or their spokespersons will not be seen, as the Congress party has decided to boycott the exit polls.